A dark chocolate base sprinkled with creamy and chocolatey bourbon biscuits makes for a delectable chocolate disc.
Hi and welcome to the Britannia Dessert Carnival. Well, I'm Amrita Raichand and today I'm going to make chocolate discs with the help of these creamy Britannia Bourbon biscuits, and oh, you're going to love it. Let's begin. So here I have a double boiler setup already ready. Some water is boiling on low flame and there is a glass bowl on top of it which should not touch the water. And now I've added some chopped chocolate to it, which I'm going to allow to melt gently over this gentle heat. So we've got to wait for a little bit of time. You have to constantly stir it because you don't want it to become too hot. As you can see, the chocolate has already started melting from below. With the gentle heat, it will completely melt. As you can see, it's melted and it's looking shiny. The moment you see the shine, you know that you achieved what you wanted to achieve. So we're just going to temper it down further so it solidifies a bit. Just thickens a bit, not solidify actually. All right, now this seems just perfect. Whoops, that's the clumsy me. Right, and the last one here. So here I have some bourbon biscuit crushed. So add some of those. Weight of these toppings. Now along with this, some melon seeds. Otherwise children don't want to eat such healthy things, so some pistachios. All right, and last but not the least, some cranberries. And the chunkiest tip of the day is that although these chocolate discs are meant to be served just as a nice chocolatey dessert bite, but you can use them as garnish as well. So if you're serving some chocolate ice cream, top it with these chocolate discs or on top of a cake that you've made for your loved one. So that's the tip for today. All right, so now I'm going to put this in the fridge for a little while till it sets and they're going to be ready to be bitten into. So here you go, these discs are ready, and as you can see my mouth munching, I'm already pigging and digging into them. Now, very gently what you have to do is just take these discs out. So you're going to place these. And with that, our chocolate bites, our chocolate discs are ready, and I promise you this is going to be a big hit at the next party that you have. If you love this recipe, I love it. Don't forget to like the video and share it with all your friends and spread the Britannia Dessert Carnival joy. Of course, subscribe for more such exciting recipes while I bite into this.